Welcome back to Rising Voice English. Today is day 19 of your English speaking practice. Take a slow breath in and slowly breathe out. You are calm. You are ready to learn. Now imagine you are at a hotel. You see the building. You see the entrance. You see the reception desk. Say slowly, I am at the hotel. Repeat, I am at the hotel. Notice people entering and leaving. Notice the sounds. Stay calm. Say slowly, I am calm. Repeat, I am calm. Very good. Walk slowly to the reception desk. Hold your bags. Take your time. Look around. Notice the signs. Reception. Lobby. Elevator. Repeat slowly. Reception. Lobby. Elevator. Practice saying, I am going to the reception. Repeat, I am going to the reception. Stay relaxed. Breathe slowly. Smile gently. Speak clearly. Say slowly, hello. Repeat, hello. Now try, good morning. Repeat, good morning. The receptionist may ask, do you have a reservation? Say slowly, I have a reservation. Repeat, I have a reservation. Repeat again, I have a reservation. Very good. Say slowly, my name is your name. Repeat, my name is your name. Repeat again, my name is your name. Speak slowly, speak clearly. Say slowly, here is my passport. Repeat, here is my passport. Repeat again, here is my passport. Hand over your passport calmly. Breathe slowly. I will stay for 2 nights. I will stay for 2 nights. I will stay for 2 nights. You may also say, I will check out on Monday. I will check out on Monday. I will check out on Monday. What time is breakfast? What time is breakfast? Where is the elevator? Where is the elevator? Is there Wi-Fi? Is there Wi-Fi? Very good. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. My room is 305. My room is 305. My room is 305. Good. Breathe slowly. I am going to my room. I am going to my room. I am going to my room. Press the elevator button. Wait calmly. Repeat silently, I am calm. Very good. The room is clean. The room is clean. The bed is comfortable. The bed is comfortable. Notice everything carefully. Breathe slowly. Hello, I need help. Hello, I need help. The Wi-Fi is not working. The Wi-Fi is not working. Can you help me? Can you help me? Very good. You are confident. I would like to order food. I would like to order food. Can I have rice and chicken? Can I have rice and chicken? Thank you. Thank you. Very good. Can you clean my room? Can you clean my room? I need fresh towels. I need fresh towels. Stay calm. Speak slowly. The staff will help you. Very good. I would like to check out. I would like to check out. Yes. Thank you. Yes. Thank you. Speak clearly. Speak slowly. Be polite. How much is it? How much is it? Here is the payment. Here is the payment. Always stay calm and confident. Speak slowly. You are improving every day. You can speak English at a hotel. I speak English clearly. I stay calm. I am confident. Very good. Take a slow breath in and slowly breathe out. You did a great job today. You have learned how to speak English at a hotel. Keep practicing every day. Come back for day 20. Keep learning with Rising Voice English. Say slowly, I am ready for my next lesson. I am ready for my next lesson. Repeat again. I am ready for my next lesson. You are calm. You are confident. You can speak English at hotels.